Phone booth. Oh, you're Keanu Reeves!
A faceless Keanu Reeves.
And then there is...
George Carlin?
I am George Carlin of Blue Suit. Your travels are needed once again. Right? Right, go. Go. But I pressed OK on that.
No, but you have to, like, remember that number and then call them.
What? Okay.
Boom.
So it's 5... Oh, shit. Oh, no. 555-9509. 555-9509. It's busy. Hold on, we're on hold.
I guess you gotta call a different one.
Really? So I can't call that number, but there's no reason... Nothing tells you that you can't call that number, though. Let's call... Oh, 1492. I'll remember that one.
Yeah, it's clever.
Alright. 555-1492. Columbus sailed the ocean blue.
Columbus is on the phone.
Oh my god, how are you supposed to know which number you can call? Alright, so I'll go down the line. 555-6362. 6362. 555-6362. Oh, Jesus!
See, this is like, I don't even know how to play.
Okay, 555-1377. 555-1377. Yes!
In the circuits of time.
Ooh, oh, and then I can... What? And then I guess...
This is a
I guess
game?
I'll go to 1.
You gotta time it, I guess, while it's spinning.
What? Okay. 1! What the fuck? Okay, I gotta wait until it's in the thing. Okay, wait. And then I go up.
Your timer?
And I'm in the 5. There! Oh! I'm actually going somewhere, though. Ooh,
Good death.
5! No! Hold on. Oh! I have control of it somehow. Okay. Now I gotta get it not to the death, but into the 7. Ah! Fuck!
Oh, yeah, okay, that's not bad.
Hold on, I gotta get up there, though. Yeah. Alright. Oh my god, do we have to call the number in order? I just realized that. Do you think we have to call the number in order?
I don't even think there's every number there.
Then
I have no idea.
I can't move now. Now I can't move. Oh my god, I made it!
You were
Holy shit!
Okay, what's the point of that?
And I threw my...
Your hat?
Ooh. And they don't move. Ooh, why does that guy want them? Oh my god, look how high you jump. Wow. What am I, on the moon? I don't have any ammo, so I guess I can just keep throwing it.
I have no idea what game this is. What kind of game? Is it like a shooter or platformer?
I'm stuck on the patch.
RPG? Is it like scrolling?
Whoa! How did I hurt myself? I think I literally jumped too high. Alright. Ooh, why is the screen so shaky? I'll go in here. No, I won't.
Oh, well. I guess you just get forced out by King Arthur.
What is he... Oh, is he throwing watches? I think it might be clever and he's supposed to be throwing watches. Now there's... And how do you get hurt from falling? And that guy...
Throw a watch at him.
Does that guy want a hug or something?
Oh, he just wants time.
He just wants a watch from me. I don't really have a health bar or any bar. What does a pause menu look like?
Good stuff.
Good stuff, coins. I have a lot. I have a lot of keys. I have a ton of keys. Those are acorns, dynamite, books,
and
a Walkman.
briefcase computers.
And briefcase. Oh, select is also that. In case you thought select was something else useful. So I guess I'll just keep walking up. Move! Oh! So I can't... Sometimes I get stuck on things. Like, look, I know I can walk on that. I was just walking on it. But maybe I have to jump to it.
You have to jump on it, and then once you're on it, you can't jump off
Ooh,
of it.
okay, that makes sense. I landed on a rock and I broke my ass. And now I'm stuck on the rock like a normal person would be.
Until you jump off.
Why is he getting...
Last time you jumped from a rock, which is a little bit higher, maybe you can talk to him.
Okay, that guy's just standing there.
Talk to him.
You can always find something at the 4 rocks.
That's where you gotta go.
This whole screen is rocks.
The 4 rocks, though.
Clumsy oaf, pay me a coin or I'll have you locked up. I guess I'll pay you a coin. I just paid you a coin! Fuck! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Now I'm just stuck in jail. And I can't throw my coins now.
I guess they took all your coins.
Now
Maybe
you
you
gotta
just walk out.
I'm having such a hard time walking.
Or maybe you can just use your time machine. Just fucking peace out. Okay.
Oh no, I
jail.
can just leave it.
You can just leave jail. They give you your money back.
I'm out of coins though. I must have wasted.
You can't run in there. Wait, look for rocks in there? Go down, go down. Level 3. I guess not, since they...
Nope.
No way you go there.
I'll moonwalk out of there though. I'm not going over to that guy again. He's gonna arrest me for paying him. Like I can move so fast, but like I have.
But you're still bound to some extent.
Only if I had somewhere to be though. So if you don't land on the trail, you fall on your butt, and there are no consequences. And that time I didn't jump that high.
Yeah. Whoa.
I want to go this way. Come on. Oh, this is so stupid. Oh my god, look at I'm just jumping.
Might as well just jump everywhere.
But sometimes it's not worth jumping, because then I just jump like I keep jumping less, because I'm falling my butt, I guess. I'm on the moon again. Woo!
4 rocks, 4 rocks, 2 rocks.
Okay, let's get some dynamite. That's dynamite?
Did absolutely nothing.
That was useless!
Throw books at it.
See, I know I can go up here, because that's where the screen was going, but right now I seem to can't.
Now you're locked in that direction.
Ooh, I'll go in. Yeah, get away from me. That's probably where the other...
Jail.
I'm out of coins, though! Oh, I
Oh.
guess he didn't really care
It's just
whether or not I paid him. He
a
just...
warning.
Oh.
Huh?
I'll go this way. There's also no music. No music. Oh,
Hey, is that
there's
guy?
me. Whoa,
Ted,
Ted.
what am I doing here?
Whoa, Ted, what am I doing here? Why did he just say it again? Whoa, it's me!
No way, bro.
Hey, Ted, this is most excellent party on, self. What is he, this is a Wayne's World now? Whoa, Ted, what am I... What the fuck are we doing? Why are we having this repetitive conversation? I'm gonna kill myself if they don't say something. Oh my god, they never stop talking! They never ever stop talking. Alright, I guess...
And that's how the game ends. Wait.
Yes, wait.
Yes, wait, Ted.
What?
What do you seek here in this most medieval of worlds? The most elusive sitting bull?
The answers for the upcoming
History exam.
There's a question.
Is that relevant?
Could you lend me a few dollars? I'll pay you back. The most
Elusive
sitting
sitting
bull.
bull.
Why does he keep saying the same?
Wrong
Wrong
adventure. Keep your minds on the current problem. So I guess we're just in the wrong place.
So, but he doesn't have a back. Oh, I guess if I stand like that, I also don't have a backpack on. I was like trapped in his gravitational pull. Alright, I guess I came in this room to have the most useless conversation with myself. I hope I can leave. Oh, no, I go back in. Gah! I can jump out of there. Yeah! Oh my god! Jump that way.
Yeah.
See, I can't tell if these bad guys are like out to get, or if they're even bad guys, or if they're just like dudes.
They just want you arrested for whatever reason.
Unless I bribe all of them. And the music stops after like 5 seconds of gameplay.
Yeah, it doesn't even loop.
And then it's just completely silent. Wow, this is so extensive. But what do I do, or where do I go?
4 rocks.
I'm back at the beginning!
Oh my god.
I'm
It's a
back
big
at
circle.
the beginning! It's a giant circle.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna
I
try...
think we're in the wrong time.
How do I... That book made more damage than the fucking dynamite does! Alright, how do I leave? Can I leave?
Wait. You see the phone up top?
Yeah.
Press that, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank God, let's get out of here. I don't wanna go there.
Alright, hold on.